Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. We've got a 64 plate Polo GT. With this vehicle we've actually fitted a KENWOOD DMX7722DABS. So that's the box. This has got Apple CarPlay, as you can see there. We've got the facility for Android Auto. We've got DAB, so the DAB will operate through there. We've got AM, FM. We've got Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming. We've obviously got the telephone, but that takes us into the CarPlay side of telephone. We've got the facility to do Google Maps. This system works really well. We've also retained the steering wheel control, so we've got the volume up, volume down, got the tracks forwards and backwards operating through this existing system. So for further information on upgrading the audio system in your vehicle, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.